Hiya, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm on to share with you a bit of junk journaling in my junk journal, of course, and she's getting rather thick. I want to do maybe about 20 to 30 minutes, so let's see what I've got to put in there. I have got some stuff from some magazines that I had cut out and stuff, but I've forgotten what is in there. But I do have this. Let's see lots of words. I want to put this envelope in there as well. I just want to use up these stuff. Oh, and I'm going to put that in as well. That's Sunday Fun Day. What happened on Sunday? Did I have a fun day on Sunday? I can't remember. Yeah, and I have got that sticker that I'm going to use, and I took down some washi tape as well. I'm not quite sure whether I'm going to use any of that, but this now I wanted to keep a bit of this. They're really good. These are 100 premium degradable doggy bags with tie handles. They're really good quality, so that's why I'm going to keep it. Right, that's okay. Yeah, that can go in a corner or something. It's 100% recyclable and 30% recycled. Great. Okay, what else? I've got my argan oil, my Moroccan argan oil as well, that I want to keep a piece of that. I used to buy this shampoo and a conditioner years ago. I should really see if they've still got them. I'm sure they have. The blue is nice inside, but I won't bother with that. Just that piece is fine. Bun. This is a lovely bun, Jamaican bun that we normally eat on bank holidays with the cheese. Absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness, we had a feast on Friday, me and my two daughters. Oh, and fun. We ate to our heart's content and and enjoyed every minute of it. I've got this pink Himalayan salt sticker that I want to put somewhere. So I'm just going to put it back on the table there. And I have this card. So let's make a start and see where these bits and bobs can go. So much. Got a lot in here. Wow. Okay, so we've got this space. Got that space as well. And that space. Nearly coming to the end, but I think I've got some space down the front, have I? Let me see. Okay, so we've got that. We haven't got any more. But I can always like embellish all this if I run out of pages. There's still lots more places to embellish, so I don't mind. as soon as I start getting a bit tired of it, then I'm going to pack it in. I got this from, I think I got this from some Happy Mail. Can't remember what Happy Mail I got it from or who. But I'm going to make a Happy Mail journal as well. Shall I put it here to then at least, yeah, I think I will. I'm going to use some paper tack. Let's put that there. There we go. I like that there as well. Oops. I can put some stuff in there. And put a note or something. I'll put some here. Oh, this is lovely. I like that. I'll put that there. And then the argan oil. I did get out some purple, I don't know why, but I think I will use some of this. This one has got love hearts in it, and I like this because I love this, so I might as well use this one. Yes, it's really coming to the end now. Alright, let's leave it like that for the minute. This has got a little tear on it. So stick it back. So I'll know which ones to get. Let's put this here. This is a little restaurant and bar, a local restaurant and bar. This Himalayan salt, I'm just wondering if I can put that there. It was really sticky when I took it off the bottle. It's okay, if it does start lifting up then I will put some glue on it, but that's fine. Sorry about the glare. This is all good. And let me put this here, because it has really been sunny today. These are so old, these stickers. Should I put some? I think they'll be alright. There, put it up there. And sunshine right there. It ran out of the bottle and messed that up, but I don't care, it's junk. Right, let me find somewhere to put my bun and cheese. This is a traditional Jamaican bun, and it has been established from 1952. Okay. Let me see where I can put that now. I probably have to go to the back. Let me put it on the... Yep, that would be good. There, yes. Let's do that. There. And I usually keep my Fabri-Tac upside down, so when I begin to use it in the near future, I'm going to put it to stand up. I won't put it back in, because once you've squeezed it, it's going to start pouring out, because it's been upside down for so long, and then plus it's warm. Yeah. Oh, lovely. It's such a delicious, delicious bun. It is. So they're imported from Jamaica. It's really for the for bank holiday, especially the Easter bank holiday. Let's have a look, see what else I wanted to put in there. So this is okay, like that. Just wondering what am I gonna slip into this envelope. I will slip something in at some point. That's all I have. Sunday fun day. It's sticky, but because I've had them for so long, oops, me ruining things. Torn it. And then we've got a bit more. It says and. tweezers. Sometimes when you lift it off, the sticky bit stays on the packaging. Come on, don't act up now. Don't start acting up. These little ones are nice, the green. Just put them anywhere. Dot them around. That popped off nicely. Why can't they all be like that? Right. This right place, right time. I'll be thinking about my next junk journal. My craft room needs organising a bit more now. There. Right place, right time. Good. Let me put these pearls, if I can manage to get them off. Yeah. Okay, that is my 30 minutes of pleasure. That's what I've done. That's what I have done. And the back here. Ooh, lovely. That was lovely. That was a nice little 30-minute enjoyment. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.